I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to silence those constant notifications from Samsung Pay, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Samsung Pay. Launch the Samsung Pay app on your device. This is where you will manage your notification settings. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the menu icon in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings. Step 3. Notifications. In the Settings menu, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This will take you to the notification preferences for Samsung Pay. Step 4. Toggle off notifications. You will see various notification types listed. Toggle off the notifications you want to disable. Make sure to check both transaction alerts and promotional notifications. Step 5. Confirm changes. After adjusting your settings, exit the menu. You should see a confirmation that your changes have been saved. If you don't see this, try restarting the app. Now you can enjoy a quieter experience with Samsung Pay. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.